Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video I'll show you how to change wallpaper on Windows 11 in a quick and simple way. Now let's get started. Step 1. Right click on a blank area of your desktop. This opens a quick menu with display and customization options. Be sure to click on an empty space. Step 2. Click on Personalize. This opens the personalization section in Settings, where you can change themes, colors, and background. It's the main place for desktop customization. Step 3. Click on Background. This controls what appears behind your desktop icons. You can choose different background types here. Step 4. Click the drop-down under Personalize your background and select Picture, Solid Color, Slideshow, or Windows Spotlight. Picture uses one image. Solid Color sets a plain color, Slideshow rotates images, and Windows Spotlight shows automatic images. Step 5. If you select Picture, choose one of the default images or click Browse Photos. Browsing lets you pick your own saved image. Step 6. Select your image from File Explorer and click Choose Picture. Once selected, your wallpaper will change immediately. Step 7. Choose your preferred fit option like Fill, Fit, Stretch, Tile, Center, or Span. This adjusts how the image fits your screen. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.